welcome back to the channel, lovelies and friends. And it's a beautiful day today. And today on the mix we have no other than Dewayne. So Dewayne is, he's listening to a tape from a young lady that is talking about that stuff. Dewayne has made his claim that, people are going up against each other. The ones that want to be a part of 99 again. So go ahead and catch the video now, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always, and have yourselves a lovely day.
So look like the people who watch be 99 head back washer, them in a war. So we're gonna listen to one of them now.
I might pick no one bully. No one. You Mr. Sorry na dark, me no blood clot friend of you favorite idiots. Like me say later, go be festive. And I know everybody knows what you look like, duh. But since you want to bully people, me can show you bully. Me don't care how much time you want to fix up in a phone. I show your followers. Look at me, I look nice, I cleaned up today. Everybody can clean up and look good per phone, either boo. I mean, I say everybody know what you look like, but I'm going to clown your ass and I'm going to bully you because you have no right to sit behind your phone and bully people's kids. So later on, I'm going to bully you because you bully my kids. It don't matter who said it first. And yes, I was listening to your live. I was listening. Yeah, me that listen to your live. It don't matter who did it first. You have sense? It matter if this a person do it first. No, everybody I said, this person did it first. That person did it first. It don't matter who did it first. Curse the adult them, but stop cursing out the children them. What is wrong with you grown-ass adults?
That's a fair point.
It don't matter if you don't eat me, because I don't do nothing. I not stop on the food and I not stop the shelter over on the head. I am not God. Me is not God. So me understand say you hate me because me accomplish all of me accomplishment them on social media. Because if I was nobody, if I was such a nobody, you wouldn't have look for me. Look how much people they on social media do business. Look how much people they on Facebook and sell bleaching cream. Why me? Why you not they on me? I'm a nobody. The girl will do her body and fuck up her body. I'm a nobody. So why you keep on a talk about the nobody?
Pause, girl. You cause it on yourself. You know why? You was too enough and inquisitive and want to jump on side. I saw it cast now you jump on the people them side. They said people them know a ton by you and I bust it up by you. You see, sometimes on a don't learn from other people's mistakes, like people like over there so and over here so and over here so and over here so. On a don't learn. But wait, on we fucking and all I know we learn. On we learn.
You can't go bully the nobody kids. Wanna leave me picking them alone. Wanna if it cost me, if you did cost me, I would have done. But you want them on your life are real. And somebody come call me over there. Cause you feel like everybody will blood clot watch you like you and everybody find they like you. And somebody come call me. So you sit down on your life. I talk about yes, me did cost your picnic. Yes, you're proud. You're proud of yourself. Yes, I did curse, and it wasn't me. It wasn't me first. It was T-Girl first. It was this first. And me make you go breed, woman. And me make your body all stretch out wide and deep. And me make you can't breed. And me make you didn't want to be a woman from the day you're born. But you're a man. You are a man, and you will never have a vagina. You will never get pregnant. Sorry to break you the news. You will never get pregnant. You will never have a child. Let it go.
Sharon with a good.
My kids are innocent.
My God.
If no obsession or no problem is with me, let it be with me.
Oh, sure, girl.
You can't look the way you look. You can't suffer the way you suffer.
Me show me look at me.
And I talk about people, children. Leave kids out of it. Talk about me. You're going to say, T-Girl, they talk about your child first. So why you have to take it up? You don't have a mind of your own, Mr. Inspector Gadget.
Morning,
Inspector
babe.
Gadget. a gadget. You don't have a mind of your own.
You're here to roast.
So you have to repeat what T-girl say. We have to repeat what that the one they say. You sound like a child in kindergarten. This one said it first. No, she said it first.
How the people them
Oh
there?
no, it wasn't me first. So why you had to be the second?
You did too enough. I see them fuck them figure out now, she begs.
That's not cool.
She begs.
I don't know if you got kids. I don't know nothing about your life. I don't want to know. I know I got a video in my phone where probably everybody see what you look like. And you don't have the right to be talking shit about nobody. I don't care how much you want. Bleach out yourself, like myself, yeah? And video yourself when you clean up yourself.
I don't
Do this on blood clot beat me. Every time you turn on your life, show your blood clot face. Not only when you clean up. Leave me, pick me alone. You're a man. You're not a woman. You're a man.
My God.
Be a man. And when you're a boxy man, you're still a man.
Babes, I have a question for you. Are you not supporting our Batman about ya? Can miss you? Me take me 1 2 years. Me say what ya? I say you're running the batty business there. Like, what is happening, babes? Babes, are you okay? Me a chat, Lisha, me a chat to you. Why you love follow up Batman arguments, girl? Why you love follow up Batman people, so girl? I only ask now why I call them up, them have like a cloth. Yeah, try running pan like a cloth team because you know it's what happened. You know what I mean, girl? I let her go on. I'm only asking you, babes. I'm only asking. Me lose 9 kg. Oh my God, I lost 9 kg. Things are good, you know, things are good. But Alicia, you have to chill out, girl. You have to chill out. And listen, girl, do the thing, yeah. Just do the thing. I go back in it. Do your thing, girl. Do your thing.
And that's the problem with some of Uno. Uno don't know the difference when to include on yourself. You don't know when to involve yourself in a something and when to exclude yourself out of something. Make woman cuss. Your man and everything with the woman them in you want dip your long mouth in it. You want dip your mouth in it.
Come
so
on, guys, like up the video.
Out of you later. So put out my address. Go put out my address. Everybody know my address, Boo. I don't hide my address. Everybody will order from me. My address is on their box, them envelope. My address is on public records. What anybody ever come do? You must want me bore all in a people, one by one. A Texas state me live in now. So do your blood clot research. You want me bore all up in anybody who feel like them can step foot on my property? You want me bore them one by one? When you feel like you can bully me?
Was that not a threat that? A threat that or an a threat? Is it someone about you on a big mouth, I got put in a problem. On a big stinking wide mouth, I got put in a problem. I'll put in a problem. Imagine come from big social media like this. And making that's a threat. That is a fucking threat. That was a threat. Come from my property and bore all. Where is on bore all in them, girl? How that part they go? It's sometimes, and let's be real, you know, claim say you're a business owner. The time when you fit up and mind your business and grow your business and make you look at money, you depend argue with people who you is beneath you. How that go? How the fuck that go? I'm only asking. How that part they go? Why on earth are you on social media arguing with people who is allegedly beneath you? Why you not make a kind of them? Why you not, try and expand your business? I let if you focus on and not them riff-raff blood-clad people, yeah. Girl, you're bipolar. You're bipolar. You're confused. Something is wrong. Something is wrong is wrong with your mindset. You're not thinking straight. 1 minute you're hot, 1 minute you're cold. Or 1 minute you in a car, you want like a mix up. So you run out. Or you're suffering from Tourette's, amnesia. What is it? What is wrong, girl? What is wrong? What is wrong? I'm only asking. Me only asking a question. Me not say, hey, BRC, I'm only asking questions, girl.
Everybody know my address. My name is Carlisha McClenningham. Me not criminal. Me not depend on. My name is Carlisha McClenningham.
Alright, girl.
It's in public records. If you look up Carlisha McClenningham, everybody can see every address that I ever had.
Ah. Oh.
Me not care who want call who.
The whole of them too enough.
Me not care who want call who for rob me. After me never say nothing about she. I him me a deal with. Nobody can call me for rob me. Call who? So at the end of the day, like I said, my name is on public records. Carlisha McClenningham. Everybody know my government name, mommy. I'm a businesswoman. Everybody know my government name. Look it up. Nobody in America can hide. Who in America can hide? If me want type in anybody name, me can find out where them live. When you know my address, what you gonna do with it? What you gonna do? You can't do nothing. Cause sit on one side with the Inspector Gadget self. You could have turn that down. You could have dig up my whole family. I come from an ambitious blood clot family. The whole of my family, them ambitious. Dig them up one by one.
Hey, Teresa,
I want to feed the little hungry belly germs tonight. I want him get cash up or what you call it.
I want the hungry belly germs.
I want to feed him.
My God.
Me know. Then when you pull up my old address in New York, what that going to do to me? What that going to do to me? What is that going to do to me?
What is it going to do to her?
When you put up my old address, you put up my mother name. My mother is no criminal. My mom is not a criminal. Me I know one of them people where you can dig up for, and if you look at my criminal record, the only thing me have on there larceny, because me used to thief. Me used to go in a store, go thief, and get catch one time.
Well, you not say good.
I'm a proud of it. Me talk it over. My past is my past.
Alright, girl, we are loud and clear. So
My past is my past.
We are see how it happens.
Clean like Jesus armpits.
Alright, old top.
When you know where me live, what that do? Anybody can know where me live. Anybody can know where I live, sir. But